Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to set date and time on MacBook. So if you want to set date and time in MacBook, this is the latest version of MacBook Venture 13.2. Okay, so if you want to update date and time on your MacBook, what you have to do, first of all you have to click on this your Apple icon on the MacBook, and here you will see system setting. Click on it, and when you click on it, here you will see general setting. Just click on it, and here you will see the option date and time. Okay, now click on this date and time. Now here is two way to set the date and time. Here you will see set time zone automatically using your current location. You can just turn it on. Now here you have to enter password here. Okay, so I'm going to enter my password. Now I have to open location service. Okay, now I have to turn it on. Yes, again I have to enter password here. Okay, so like this. Now go back to date and time, and now I can click on it, and it will automatically choose using your current location. Okay, if you want to set date and time manually, what you have to do, just turn it off, and here you will see set option. Just click on it, and now from here you can change the date and time. So like this you can set date and time on MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.